Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So the topic of today's video, I'll be going over my Coinbase portfolio review. So this is my first video talking about my Coinbase portfolio, any future investments I'll be making into obviously any future cryptocurrencies, and also what I generally think of cryptocurrency in general. But before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing, give a like, thumbs up, comment, everything like that. It really helps boost my channel to more people and helps my channel grow in general. So yeah, I've started investing in cryptocurrency again. I do want to start investing more into it. And I only have one cryptocurrency currently at the moment, which I'll be talking about. But I'll also be talking about a couple of other coins that I do want to invest in as well once I build my first position up. So as we can see at the moment, the portfolio balance is at £435.96. And I'll go and show you what the actual cryptocurrency is that I have at the moment. So we can see in the last hour, cryptocurrency is very, very volatile. By the time I release this video, which will probably be in a day or so, this could be down, up, anything. But last hour, up a couple of pound. The last day, we've seen a bit more growth. The lowest we was at was 395, and the highest has been 436. Then in the week, a low of 375 and a high of 461. Then in the month, obviously, 526 has been the highest, and you can see the spike there when I put the first bit of money in, which was about a couple of weeks ago now. So it's where we're at the moment, slightly down, but again, this is what I'm in for the next 5, 10, 15 years. So on the crypto that I currently have is Quant Coin, QNT. And this has had a really good run recently. So we can see in the last year, it's gone up massively. It was at £5.96, and rose all the way up to 309. Sort of dropped off a little bit, and it's trying to find a bit of a consolidating support around about this mark, I think maybe. But again, this is one I see huge potential in. I'll go into a bit more what it does in shortly. So it's an Ethereum network token that is used to power Quant's network overledger brand of enterprise software solutions, which aims to connect public blockchains to private networks. Quant Network allows the creation of so-called MDApps that enable decentralized applications to operate on multiple blockchains at once. Bit of a mouthful there, but shortly I'll show you a little bit more into what they do. But one thing to take a key note on is market cap, still relatively small, 2.8 billion. That sort of fluctuates between that and around 3 billion depending on the price. Volume 61.1 million, but the key thing is to look at is the circulating supply. There's only 12 million of these coins available at the moment, and the share price is already at £229. So, and they have a 63% buy and 36% sell. And I think that's over, I'm not sure if that's over a day or a week, if someone could let me know in the comments. But yeah, so only 12 million coins circulating, which is absolutely tiny compared to some other coins. I think Ethereum has 111 million remaining, and Bitcoin has even less than this. But again, Bitcoin's price is absolutely massive. So a little bit more into what Quant do now, we'll take a look. So this article from investing.com, they're a fast-growing blockchain that connects blockchains and networks without reducing the efficiency. The Overledger, which is the application that they use the system, which is meant to bridge stablecoins, NTFs, DeFi ecosystems with blockchain payments. The future goal of Quant is to create a platform that supports the creation and management of intraval stablecoins and digital currencies, as well as tokenized assets. So this is basically trying to bridge everything all together at once between the banks, other blockchains, networks, etc., and make it easier for all of them. They launched the Overledger Network 2.1, which is all multi-DLT application, which will be able to use our distributed networks of remote connector gateways around the world to carry out transactions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Also, they're building the network that will connect all the blockchains and networks globally without decreasing its performance. It's a really interesting network. I feel like Quant has huge potential, and I don't think they have that much competitors. And I've seen many videos and research that I've done on this coin is really all promising, and I do feel like it has a bright future ahead. So that's the only coin that I currently have in this portfolio at the moment. But there's a couple of other coins that I do want to have a look at and getting in. Once I build this position up a bit more, I do want to have 5 coins in the coming months and weeks before, again, which I do think it might have another spike this month. It's already showing good signs. September is generally a bad month for crypto in general, so hopefully October could be a better month. But yeah, 228 is where we're at the moment, and I have just under 2 coins So that's the first cryptocurrency I want to talk about. So the next one we'll be looking at is Cardano, or ticker symbol ADA. So at the moment, this will be the next one that I buy. They're currently at £1.64. They're actually up in the last day, which most of the cryptocurrencies are at the moment. So they have a market cap of 52.6 billion with 32 billion circulating supply. So there's a lot more in supply than what Quant is. But again, this one has massive potential. We'll take a little bit more of a look into what they do now. So with the recent upgrade that Cardano have recently done, which is called the Alonzo upgrade, which will mean Cardano network will be able to support the applications like smart contracts, and they'll be hoping to gain a bigger foothold in the world of decentralized finance, competing with the likes of Ethereum. So that's really, really interesting on their part, trying to compete with somebody like Ethereum. So what exactly is a smart contract? It's basically a contract which is an automated digital agreement, which is written in code that tracks, verifies, and executes the binding transactions of a contract between various parties. A smart contract is a short program whose inputs and outputs are transactions on a blockchain. So they're self-executing, reliable, and do not require actions or presence of a third party. That is a key thing, so they're not relying on third parties. They can just get this done nice and easy. The smart contract code is stored and distributed across decentralized blockchain network, making it transparent and irreversible. So in the summary, the smart contracts are immutable as a contract and cannot be changed. They have had a bit of issue since releasing the smart contracts with share price. They've gone down in general, and I've seen something somewhere saying that the release of the smart contracts has had a bad effect on the price. But we'll wait and see. Again, I think this is a banger for the future. Only £1.64 as well. So again, it's not doesn't cost much to buy this coin. It's very cheap. So I'll be loading up on these when I can. So that's the second one, which is in my watch list, which is Cardano, ticker symbol ADA. So the last coin on the list is Litecoin. Again, this is one I'll be looking at getting in my hands on. So Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and is a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. This one's had its ups and downs over the all time. We've seen it go all the way from 73p up to £204, all the way back down to the £20 mark, up again to the nearly £300 mark, and then down back again. I think at this price it is really, really, really undervalued. So I would like to get on this crypto when I can. So they've got a market cap of 8 billion, volume of 2 billion, and the circulating supply again only 66.8 million. So this one, again, another one which hasn't got that many coins in comparison to others. So with cryptocurrency, it's a supply and demand thing. The more coins needed, the more coins that will end up getting mined. So that is pretty much it for my first cryptocurrency portfolio update. Again, only one at the moment, but like I said, I'll be looking to add more and probably focusing from stocks onto crypto for the next 6 months or so. So hoping to build this up and see how quick I can grow it. But anyway, like I said, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to smash a like as well. And yeah, just let me know what you think of my investments and let me know if you have any investments yourself. On that note, I'm going to leave you to it today. Take care. Bye.